Hello friends, welcome to Easy for You. In this video demonstration, we are going to learn how to set hostname in Red Hat Linux on machine. There are three tools to manage hostname in Red Hat Linux on machine. First one is hostnamectl command. It controls the system hostname. Second one is nmtui command. It controls the system hostname using text user interface TUI. Third one is nmcli command. It controls the system hostname using CLI part of network manager. One more thing that you need to remember that the main configuration file of hostname is /etc/hostname. Whatever hostname you set for your Linux machine is stored in this file /etc/hostname. You can also set the hostname by editing this file. If you set hostname using this file, then you need to restart the hostname service. There are three types of hostname used in Red Hat Linux on machine. First one is static hostname assigned by system admin, for example server 1, server 2, srv.easyforyou.com. These hostname are called static hostname. Second one is dynamic hostname. You can also call it transient hostname. This is assigned by DHCP or MDNS at runtime. Third one is pretty hostname. This is assigned by system admin and end users, and it's a free-form UTF hostname for presentation to the user. For example, Ajay's PC, my laptop, my PC. These hostnames are called pretty hostname. Now start the practical. We are going to use the first method hostnamectl command to set the hostname. To check the hostname, you can use two commands. First one is hostnamectl and second one is hostnamectl space status. How can we set the hostname using hostnamectl command? To set the hostname, you need to execute this command hostnamectl space set-hostname. Then you need to type the hostname whatever you want to set for your Linux machine. One thing you need to remember that don't use white space in your hostname. If you want to set the pretty hostname, then you need to execute this command hostnamectl space set-hostname, and then you need to type the hostname in double inverted comma. In this hostname, you can use white space. After the hostname, you need to give one space, then use double hyphen pretty options. If you want to set static hostname, then you need to execute this command hostnamectl space set-hostname. Then you need to type the hostname whatever you want to set for your Linux machine, then space and then double hyphen static options. If you want to set transient hostname or dynamic hostname, then you need to execute this command hostnamectl space set-hostname space. Then you need to type the hostname whatever you want to set for your Linux machine, and in this hostname you can't use the white space. Then space, then double hyphen transient option. Let's start the practical. First of all, open the terminal. Then check the current hostname of this machine. Hostname CTL. The current hostname of this machine is srv.easy4u.com, and this is the static hostname. Now I'm going to change this. Hostname CTL space set hyphen hostname, and I'm going to use this srv1.mylab.com. Then press enter. Then again use the hostname CTL command to check the hostname. You can see that srv1.mylab.com is our new hostname of this machine, and this is also a static hostname. Now I'm going to set static hostname. Here you can notice that I did not use any options here, any like static, pretty, transient options. To set the static hostname, you need to execute this command hostname CTL space set hyphen hostname. Then you need to type the hostname whatever you want to set. srv2.easy4u.com, and then you need to type double hyphen static options. Then check the hostname by using this command. You can check that the new static hostname is srv2.easy4u.com, and the old hostname is used as transient hostname because we did not use any option in the previous command. So the old hostname is used as transient hostname. Now I'm going to set pretty hostname. Hostname CTL space set hyphen hostname space double inverted comma my RHEL7 machine, and then double hyphen pretty options. Here you can see pretty hostname my RHEL7 machine, static hostname srv2.easy4u.com, transient hostname srv1.mylab.com. Now I'm going to set transient hostname. Hostname CTL space set hyphen hostname space srv1.easy4u.com double hyphen transient. The new transient hostname is srv1.easy4u.com. We have learned here how to set a static hostname, pretty hostname, and transient hostname. Now we are going to learn how to remove a specific hostname. First of all, I am going to remove transient hostname. Then I need to use this command hostname CTL space set hyphen host name, then double inverted comma. You don't need to type anything in double inverted comma. Then double hyphen transient options. Host name CTL. Here you can see that there is no transient hostname display here. If you want to remove pretty hostname, then you need to execute this command. Hostname CTL space set hyphen hostname double inverted comma, then double hyphen pretty options. Yes, the pretty hostname is removed. If you want to remove static option, then you need to use here static options. The remaining command is same. We have checked it. We have also checked it how to remove the host name. The new one is how to, oh here is spelling mistake, how to change host name remotely. To change the host name remotely, you can use one of following command. First one is as such root at the server IP address, then hostname ctl command space set hyphen hostname, then you need to type the hostname that you want to set for your remote machine. Or second one is if you want to set the server 2 as hostname on a remote server whose address is 192.168.1.10 using as such, then you need to execute this command hostname ctl space set hyphen hostname, and then the host name you need to type the host name that you want to set for your remote server. Here the host name is that we want to set server 2, then hyphen capital H option, then root at the rate server IP address, and here is the IP address is 192.168.1.10. Now I don't have any remote server or remote machine, so I'm not going to use this command. The second method is how to set host name using nmtui command. So first of all clear the terminal, then you need to execute this command nmtui. Here the wizard is open. Once the wizard is open, then you need to select this option, then you need to press enter key on your keyboard, then type the hostname whatever you want to set for your machine. I'm going to set srv3.eg4u.com, then select OK button, then press enter key, then click on OK. Then you need to restart the hostname service. To restart the hostname service, you need to execute this command systemctl space restart space system d hyphen hostname, then check the hostname. This is the new host name for our machine srv3.eg4u.com. The third method is nmcli command. To view the current host name of your machine, Red Hat Linux machine, using nmcli command, then you need to execute this command, nmcli general space host name. To set the host name using nmcli command, then you need to execute this command, nmcli space general space host name, then the host name whatever you want to set for your Linux machine, then restart the hostname service. First of all, I'm going to check the hostname using nmcli command, nmcli general hostname. The current hostname is srv3.easy4u.com. Now I'm going to change this hostname, nmcli general hostname space srv4.easy4u.com. I'm going to set this. srv4.easy4u.com is our new hostname for this machine. Now I'm going to check it using hostname command. Oh, here is the old hostname. Here is the old name displayed here. This is our old hostname of this machine, and this is our new hostname of this machine. In this condition, if the new hostname, if you set the nmcli command, if you set the hostname using nmcli command, this will display. Then you check it using nmcli command, then it will display the new hostname. If you check the newly set hostname using hostname command, then it will not display the newly set hostname. Then you need to restart the hostname service. So I'm going to restart the hostname service, systemctl, then restart, then system d-hostname. Now check the hostname using hostname command. It displays the new hostname. Now I'm going to set the hostname using /etc/hostname file. First of all, I'm going to check the content of /etc/hostname file. srv4.easy4u.com is the current content of this file. This is our current host name of this machine. Now I'm going to set the new host name using this file. To edit this file, you can use vm command. Then you need to go to insert mode. To go to insert mode, you have to press I or insert key on your keyboard. I'm going to change it srv5. Then save this machine. Save this file. To save this file, you need to press escape :WQ or exclamation mark. Escape :WQ and exclamation mark. Then press enter key. Then you need to restart this hostname service. Systemctl space restart space system d hyphen hostname. Then check the then check the hostname using hostnamectl command. This is our new hostname for this machine, sre5.easy4u.com. There are 4 ways to set hostname in Red Hat Linux on machine. I hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, then don't forget to press like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get latest update of my YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.